The Cotswolds is a picturesque region in south-central England, stretching across several counties, including Gloucestershire, Oxfordshire, Warwickshire, Wiltshire, and Worcestershire. The name comes from two Old English words, cot and wold, which give a clue to its roots in sheep farming. With its rolling hills, winding country roads, and charming stone-built villages, it's no wonder the Cotswolds are one of the UK's most beloved travel destinations. Back in the Middle Ages through to the 17th century, the Cotswolds were the heart of the English wool trade. The sheep raised here on the limestone-rich pastures produced wool of such high quality that it was in demand all over Europe. This booming industry brought great wealth to the area, leading to the rise of impressive churches, bustling markets, and entire towns. Many of the large Gothic churches you see today were built with money made from wool. However, during the Industrial Revolution, the region lost its economic edge as industry moved elsewhere. Ironically, that decline helped preserve the old villages and architecture, keeping their timeless charm intact. In the late 20th century, the Cotswolds became a favorite rural retreat for artists, writers, retirees, and city dwellers looking for a peaceful escape. Today, it's known for its honey-colored limestone buildings, postcard-perfect views, scenic trails like the Cotswold Way, and a truly tranquil atmosphere. Often described as one of the prettiest villages in England, Bibury won over even 19th century artist and poet William Morris, who famously called it the most beautiful village in England. The village's most iconic spot is Arlington Row, a line of historic cottages originally built in the 14th century as a wool store for a nearby monastery. In the 17th century, they were converted into homes for weavers. Today, Arlington Row is owned and protected by the National Trust, and some of the cottages are still lived in. The River Colne flows gently through the centre of the village, adding to its storybook charm. Nicknamed the Venice of the Cotswolds, Bourton-on-the-Water is one of the region's most famous and loved villages. The River Windrush runs right through the middle of town, crossed by a series of graceful, low stone bridges that add to its charm. Lined with tea rooms, gift shops, and cozy pubs, the riverside is perfect for a leisurely stroll or picnic. The relaxed vibe makes it a favourite stop for visitors of all ages. With its timeless villages and storybook landscapes, the Cotswolds is where England's past and present meet in the most beautiful way.